familiar place, but we're here in the airport again because we're gonna go to Saigon, and it's my second time in Saigon. I'm so excited to bring Ronan with me because Ronan loves Vietnamese food and I love Vietnamese shopping, so perfect combination. So we're just here at Asian Kitchen because we're gonna eat because I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten lunch yet. I just had popcorn and I'm so hungry right now because I was packing earlier. I had exams last night, and after the exams, kay kape ko, so wala ko naka-himos. So right now, I'm gonna eat my very late lunch. It's 5 p.m. and our flight is at 6:30, so yep, we're gonna eat. Let's do a what's inside my bag. So this bag, a lot of you guys have been asking if what's the color Anina bag. This bag is in a color steel ash and it's in the size medium, short handle. But if you guys would ask me if I would recommend short handle to long shank, no, you guys should just go straight to long handle. I just got this one because it was on sale and it was the only stock available for this color, the sale. So what do I got this one? I think I got this one for around 7,000 just to steal because gamahal ang long shank here sa Philippines. So first is I have here my MacBook M1 chip, and I forgot to put igiyahang case, and nalapot ni siya bag but I forgot, and ako rin siyang gisok-sok na while I was packing because I was rushing. So yeah, muna siya first the sulod dira, and then second is this yellow pouch that I got from the Alba. So nadiri ako ang mga makeup stuff and travel size perfume. So I have my perfume for the trip while wala pa ko gambay o perfume for the trip kay my Burberry Her and my Gucci Flora. So muna siya kong gidala. I actually dala sad din ako ang perfume that I got from Japan. And yeah, that's it. And kani siya guys kay Ronan's mom gifted this. So yeah, so I have this one kay useful kani siya. And since I am sick, I have here this one cause isipon jud ko lumada. I feel so sick. And then I have here alcohol from Biogenic. Diba? Gagamit din ako mga tampons. And then I have here, so random, but I got a Ferrero na while I was in the grocery buying some stuff for work. So yeah, in case gutomon ko, kay mahal ang food or mahal ang chips sa airplane, so at least I have something to munch because I love munching. And then another pouch. But here kay I have my wallet which na ako ang mga cards diri, and this one kay sa Japan pa ni siya na for the train. Alala ko rang gibutang nila manifesting for a Japan trip soon. And then here kay ako ang wallet and with some Viet money that I have from my last Vietnam trip na ako ang gamiton for this trip. And then my passport kay naa ka Ronan, I'm supposed to put it here. Nana kong phone, but let me just finish this one. And then I have here my charging and gadget stuff. So nakabutak siya another pouch. See, gamit kayo na ko ang mga pouch ng panghatag sa PR guys. And this one kay naa akong tanang charger, akong power bank, and akong earphones. So yeah, para accessible siya na ko. And then this one kay mo na siya ang bag or case sa ko ang DJI kay grabe kayo ka fragile ang DJI na camera. So ako na siyang ginabutang dali kay naguba na ni siya guys. And then lastly kay have here my passport and my ticket. And muna na siya ang lastly. I have here my phone. This is my iPhone 16 Pro. Muna siya kong ginagamit sa akong vlogs lately because kapoy kay bit-bit ani kay kagubaon na siya. And I have here Immuni Plus, please sponsor me because masakiton kaayo ko, so I have this one. That's it for everything that I have here. We're now in the plane and I can finally sleep, and I hope dili ko ubhon. And I'm so excited to shop because I really don't like Viet food, but I just went to Vietnam for the shopping So yeah, that's the agenda for our 5-day trip to Vietnam. So hi guys, another day, another haul, and yes, we are in Vietnam again. And these are my first day damage. A lot of these basic pieces that I can wear going to school, or even if like I can wear it during events. That's how I justify the purchase. First stop kay Ruby's good ako ang gigo specifically because I know na I can buy a lot of items there that I can rewear a lot of times because these are basic timeless pieces. So first here is this blazer. I really like this blazer kay kanang it's perfect for events. Kaya dili siya kanang oversized blazer, more of like the structured blazer. And I really like this one kay ang yang quality, kay it's Zara quality but like half its price. So I can justify by like wearing this one with a mini skirt or pants, like a black or white pants, and I can wear this a lot of times even if I use it for school or for events. So yep, that's the first purchase. Nice kayo ang mga blazers sa Ruby's, guys. I'm planning to buy like the black one, but like not the more structured one, more the oversized one. And then this one, I really like these tops, and I love these tops sa Uniqlo. What I don't like ato na top kay ribbed siya, but this one kay more in the cotton yan tela. So I got one in black and red, so I can mix and match this one with a lot of pieces. So I plan to wear these during sa kong trip because I didn't dala a lot of clothes for this trip kaya I plan to shop and just wear it here. So yeah. Next is this cord, and I saw this one ka CK, and when I said na, oh my god, ganahan ko na because I've been like getting these sa Zara, and the price of Zara was like 2.5, and oh my god, one pants na here sa Ruby. So, muna siya akong gibay, and I'm in a size medium here because dili ba fit sa akong hips if I get a size small. And mura na lang available size because wala na sila black, but mga to mi og District 3 later. I'm gonna check if naa sila sa black and sa red because I plan to get those also. And I really like these kay ang iyahang tela kay dili siya cheap. So I can wear these during events, and even when I travel, I plan to wear these and like pair it with like a sneakers lang, so it would be comfy. Next, I got this one in a sale pile. This was the last piece daw in the size small. So kuha na lang siya giko. It's like a tube top and corset type siya. So dili mawala ang forma sa kong body. And I got this one for half its price because it's Black Friday sale here sa Vietnam. So I did a lot of damage, and that's how I justified my purchase kay dagko siya og discount. Next is I got a pants. I actually got this exact pants in a color beige last time I went here. So I got it in a color white, and I got it in medium na kay huot kay siya sa hips if I get small, specifically kanina tela, or like kani siya na design. So I got it in size small, and I plan to get this one in black and in pink, but wala sila sa ko size. So I'm gonna check sa Ruby's later if they have it sa ko ang size. And last, for that paper bag, kay kani siya, like dream ganin ako, I don't know. Ronan hates these every time like makita mi sa Mango or sa Zara, kay di siya ganahan ani na pants, but I like it. And like bejeweled siya, and like dili siya OA na bejeweled. I saw this one in Mango man god, and I think it was around 3 to 4K, and this one came around 1.4 ani siya, guys. And then I saw this exact design sa Mango, it was almost 3K. So half its price. Next, paper bag for Ruby's. Oh my god, nag-hoard good ko Ruby's di ay. Please sponsor me. But this top, I just like it, and then I can just pair it with a jeans or a skirt. And what I like, I actually have the exact same one in black. So, gikuha rin ako ang white so I can wear it even on my lazy days. And then this one, kay lahi ni siya og tela from the white one, but it's in black and like medyo wide siya. So perfect siya for events and even for school kay it's black and it's basic. I love basic pieces. And this one kay wala lang, ganahan kay kuan niya. I was supposed to get it in white and black because that's how much I like it. Like the way siya hulma sa kong body. But they don't have it. It was the last stock. So I know I needed to. So next is Neto Misery Chic. And this is more in like a preppy, girly pop designs. But it was on sale. But dili siya as big as a discount sa Rubies. And it's more on the expensive side. But I got 3 items from here. First is this dress. And what lang, cute lang kay siya. I don't know where will I wear this, but what lang. Ronan likes it also, so I got it. And then I got a skirt, really cute. And nani siya pair na top, but wala sila sa size small and where dili siya fit sa kong body. So this one na lang akong giket ang skirt. I can just like wear it with a bodysuit. So yeah. And I think this one is my favorite purchase of the day. This cute butter yellow top. And oh my god, it's so nice. And nice siya sa likod. And last piece na siya. And size medium. And a little bit bigger sa kong chest area. But I will make this work. Because that's how much I like it. And walang nice kasi siya mo complement sa akong skin, and I have an event that requires me to wear this color. And last is from this Gout Dijon. Basta Gout. And you said that I look good in pink, and this one was on sale. So, lagi justify na ko. Kay cute kay siya. So, like, it's like that. See, and I got this one in like a really steal price. That's it for my day 1 morning haul or my Ho Chi Minh trip. And I hope I'm gonna stop shopping na. I hope I don't see good things anymore. So hi guys, it's our day 2 here in Vietnam. So here's the outfit of the day. My dress is from Coco Sin, but I rented it at Yelena Collective and like nice kay siya. I love wearing dresses every time na mag-shopping ko. Kay so easy to take off every time I want to fit something. And then bag for the day is my Jackie Moose bag, which can fit a lot surprisingly. And then shades is from Gentle Monster, and then just my usual jewelry. And then for the sandals, I'm wearing my Hermes Orans. So yeah, that's it for my outfit for the day. And I'm so excited to shop and explore District 3 today. Hi guys, we're here at Ban Mi Madam Win, and it's another good spot here in Vietnam. Daghan kaayo nag-line right now. So we're trying to line, and I hope it's good. I also got apple juice. It's more colorful. Let's try. Like the one yesterday.
The bread looks bigger here.
So, we're here in District 3 and Ronan is looking for some colognes. When he shops, I sit down. When I shop, he sits down. But yeah, daghan di ay kayag nice pieces sa District 3 also. So, if you guys want like mga local brands kay daghan sa diri sa District 3, so you guys should check it out also. Wow! Gansa ka?
Like shopping.
A nice shop also. We have lots of like basic pieces for men's. Day 2 damage. We're here now at Bep Me Inn, and let's try it. They just got their Michelin Gourmand. I forgot my mic, but we're here now at Bep Me Inn, and I'm so excited to eat. It's 3 p.m. It's so small. We're here in La Creme. It's an ice cream place. Because it's raining outside, so we're just waiting na hunong ang ulan, and then we're gonna go to WA Studio to buy something there. Yep, I shopped again. Oh my god. This is our second full day here and that's all the damage I did. Dili na ako watanan guys kaya nagpasabay ko. Okay, let's start with El Sol. I think this is one of my pinaka-expensive purchase on top of Rubies. So, I got 2 items. Dream good na ko magka El Sol kaya ever since gisuot siya sa Blackpink. Even though I'm not like a fan, but I love their fashion. So, I got 2 corset top and I was supposed to get like a dress, but I was thinking na di na ko siya ma-reuse to a lot of like events or di na ko siya ma-reuse a lot of times and mix and match it because it's a dress. So, mo to, ni-invest na lang ko with corset top. Muna ang pinaka-expensive top na ko napalit sa akong life. And this better be worth it. But I look so snatched and I know I can re-wear this a lot of times. Mix and matches with a pants, with a skirt, and a skirt. Do you see the vision? Please justify my purchase because it's 4,076 for this top. But quality-wise, I really love El Sol. My first time na nakasuot ko El Sol was when I rented it sa Yelena Collective. And I fell in love with it because it looks so snatched. So, I said to myself na when I go here, I know na I want to buy a top from them. And thank you so much guys for supporting me because I couldn't buy this if you won't support me. And then next is, this one is on the cheaper, but still expensive. But compared to that, it was 1.8 million dong. And this one is 800? Yeah, it's 850. And it's so cute. I'm in a size small. It's a El Sol. And flattering case siya. And I know I can mix and match it with a lot of items. Again, with a skirt. Kaya naghan ko gipamalit na skirt from Ruby. So, I can even wear it for my next or upcoming travels or events. So, and then next is I went to Gout de June again because we went to District 3 and mas dako sila store dito compared sa the playground. So, this is the jumpsuit I got. So pretty. And I got this one for around 300,000 something dong kaya na siya discount. But lang siya, nice lang siya if I'm too lazy to think of what I will wear, then a jumpsuit or a overall is the way to go. And then next is, again, another day, another Rubies. You know how much I love Rubies. Like, if na ako isa ka dream brand diri sa Vietnam, aside from El Sol, it would be Rubies. Like, pila ko, pag uli na ako sa Cebu, tanan akong wardrobe kay Rubies. So, remember the skirt I got yesterday? Naa sila other sizes and other colors sa District 3. So, I got one in beige and one in black. And then this one is for my sister. Kaya nagpasabay siya. And then this one, kay last na lang yun siya dito. And wala na ako siya nakitaan dito sa playground near na Rubies. It's a pastel yellow cardigan. And You guys know how much I love cardigans as a ginawin girly. So I can really reuse it a lot of times. And last piece na lang ni siya. So I think it was 40% off. So I know I needed to get that. Miski reg, medyo hugaw siya, but I know malabhan rin ako. Next is this tube top. This is another last piece there. This is in a size small. And, oh my god, I just remembered. I think I have a similar one, but I got that one sa Zara. But that one is like white. This one is like off-white. So, yeah, that's so pretty. And then this one, ang blazer na pink. If you guys follow my pre-love shop, gibaligyan ako ko ang mga blazer. Those 2 blazers ako ang gibaligya. And I got a new one because it's pink. And nice siya og quality sa. Next is Kiddo. So I got 3 items sa Kiddo. Mas nice silang collection ron compared to the time that I went here last April, I think. But yeah, I got this one and so nice kasi. And then I got a shorts. This one is just a black shorts because you could never go wrong with a black short. So yeah, that's it. And last top here kay this brown cow. Basta ka na, ana. Shut top. And then backless siya sa luyo. And walang pretty kasi. And then we went to like a swimwear store. Cute kayo lang plastic. But like nice kayo ilahang mga swimwear. I got 2 actually. Ronan got me 1. The name was I think something inside. So they have like a bikini set. Na cute kasi even though wala ko yung beach trip. But I got some bikinis. And next is I went to Moulin Rose. I don't know how to read this one. But I got 2 corset tops. I love corset tops. First is this one. It's so pretty. Oh my god, like I fell in love. And nice kay ni siya for like events, you know, something formal niya. Mag blazer lang ka or as it is kay it's so pretty. Even though sexy siya, like dili siya like bastos lang tawon because I don't know, there's something with their corset na nice og structure. Nandili siya like cheap lang tawon. And sale pagid ni siya. So I got this one around 500,000 dong for this and boned siya guys. Like same siya og quality sa El Sol. But ako lang problem nila kay gamay ra mga design. So kanira ako ang top na naganahan. And then this one kay lace sa ubos ra sa Moulin Rose kay naani siya na store. And one thing about here in Vietnam, when it's on a sale piece or like sale pile, okay, you can't fit it. So this is a blind buy. So I think it's nice. Ronan said it's nice because I think I got it for around 250,000 dong. I mean, Ronan gifted this to me, but here it is. It's nice. Next is Lane C. I think this is like the biggest pasabay I have. So if you guys are following Yelena Collective, a lot of their items are so pretty. If dili ka ganahan mo splurge for an item na you know nakausaran nimo suoton, like me, you can rent from Yelena Collective. And nagpasabay si Miss nako og I think around 6 items. So what mo guys, daghan kaayo like a lot. And a lot kay Mipsen approved ni siya guys. These are the new items for Yelena Collective. So, kanitanan Mipsen approved, something I would definitely wear and something that I'm so excited to rent. But yeah, here it is. And just check out their Instagram shop. I think they posted their new collection and Monishina collection, guys. So you guys can just check there. I got this one sa the playground. I think this is a lounge shorts. And wala lang, cute lang siya. I love wearing shorts if na ako sa balay because it's comfy. So I got one for myself. And last is this one. But like, dili niya quota nun. Some of this kay Karonon. We went to like a stationery store and I got this cute pouch. Butangan na rin ako siya sa kuwang mga chargers and electronics. Wala, kay cute siya. True to its aesthetic. And I got the sticker because I plan to put this in my planner, my 2026 planner, to manifest more Vietnam trips. And I got this one for Shobe. And then I got this benta na postcard because I love collecting postcards to every place that I travel. And then this one kay I got a tube, like, innerwear. So, every time na ako yung mga events or every time na, like, see-through ako sinina, wala ko yung tube top. So, this one is perfect for me. Just an innerwear. And I think this is the last piece for our haul. Finally, that's 14 minutes of me talking. We got cookies because nakita ni Ronan sa Google na lami daw ilahang soft cookies. So we got one so we can try. And if lami kay, we're gonna get like the big one. And they have like assorted mallows, flavored mallows for you to try. So, muna siya mong i-try. And lastly, kay this one, this is my favorite Vietnamese candy. Mo siyang naitahin inside the candy. And I love tahin. So, yeah. And this is my favorite pillows na flavor. And I plan to buy these para pang pasalubong. So, yeah, that's it for our day 2 haul. Oh my god, that was a lot. So yeah, that's it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this haul and see you guys next time. Day 3 here in Vietnam. We're out at 9:33 a.m. So we're here at Soygan number 1. It's a Michelin guide for 2024 to 2025. Good. So good. Feels like home. Try this one. You know what it feels like? It feels like you're just eating basa na rice na wala na talong luto. So we're here in Bawi?
Yeah, oi.
Basta? And it's another Michelin guide restaurant for 2 years. So let's see if it's good. Ito na namang meals diri kay majority kay Michelin guide or Michelin selected.
It's like expensive tempura.
Yeah. That's okay.
Actually, and one time. Usually wala na beef.
So good. I like you guys should get the squid something.